twice, she should've stayed in her tree. Before we kiss that dragon goodbye. She ought to think twice, she should've stayed in her tree. I think it's gonna be bad. She's trying to hide, yeah. The girl that's driving us mad is here for the ride, yeah. She's gotta stick by our side. She's gotta stick by our side. She's gotta stick by our side, but she ain't there. I don't know why she's climbing so high. She ought to think twice, she should've stayed in her tree. Before we kiss that dragon